my channel. For those who don't know me, I am Fancy. On my channel, I load cookbooks with me on Saturday, and then on Sunday is just learn with me. But it is Halloween and it is one of my favorite holiday, so I am just doing some makeup look for that and some costume ideas. And if you guys want to learn how to get this makeup look, just keep watching. I'm going to be using the Naked 3 from Urban Decay palette. This is the pink palette, so I want to try it out. I haven't try it out at all. So here is the colors right here. You guys see that? That is really pretty. And this one comes with a brush like these. It says, you guys can't read it, but it says Urban Decay Naked 3, so you know which palette, because every palette comes with a brush. So I am going to use my Morphe M504 brush here. I am going in with this color, let me see, Limit. I'm just gonna pick up that color and go into the crease like these. I'm gonna bring all it out to my eye socket because that is the most neutral tone color that we are going to use. That one doesn't have any shimmer at all. So I am just going to put it in the eye socket. That's pretty. That is really pretty. Oh, sorry. So I already put on my foundation, my eyebrows, as you guys can see, and then my lip. And for my lip, I just use chapstick and this lipstick from CoverGirl, and it is in the color Cutie. Just like this. Comes up like this. I really like this one because it's like a really neutral color, but it's got like shimmer in it, so it's kind of pink, but I love it. I love it. Okay, so let's continue. We after we are done with the eye, gotta make sure I have enough on there. I'm gonna go in with, my Morphe M513. It's kind of like this. It's longer. we are going to pick up the color Buzz right next to it. And we are going to be putting this on here. So kind of like at the corner of your eye. So just from like the corner to right in the middle. That's where you want to put the color. And stop a eye socket. So you just want to blend, 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 blend. I'm not a makeup guru or anything, so I'm probably not using it correctly, but I will try my best. I will just try my best. And I don't have deep eyelids, so and I'm just gonna fast forward the video because it's gonna take a long time just for me to blend, blend, blend. So I will talk to you guys later. So that is all for the eyeshadow. I just added some eyeliner, and then I also used this roller lash from Benefit. I picked this up yesterday because I wanted to try it. A lot of people has been raving about it, so I wanted to try it. I do like it. Do you guys like it? If you guys do, comment down below and let me know. And that is all that I have for you guys. Please leave me a comment if you guys do. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, I will see you guys Bye.